Hello guys, welcome to eTutions, Odisha's largest and first digital platform which is dedicated towards education for better tomorrow, where quality education are being provided by the expertise. तो कैसे हो आप सभी? उम्मीद करता हूँ सारे के सारे बच्चे अच्छे होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे और खूब मन लगाकर पढ़ते होंगे। तो हम यहाँ पे लास्ट क्लास में जो कंटिन्यूएशन में जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर हम पढ़ रहे थे इंटीजर्स, उसके कंटिन्यूएशन में आज कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। ठीक है, we'll do some questions regarding whatever we have been taught in the last class, and we will practice some questions so that your concept will be more clarified. Your concept will be more clarified and you will better hold on the subject. Okay beta, so let's go to the questions. Some question we will discuss. These questions are taken from your examples and the exercise. So let's go to some question first. So here you can see there is a number line is given, and the number line represents the temperatures of various cities. So first we have to determine what are the temperature of the cities. So following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. So if you will observe beta, if you will observe here, you can see that all the difference between one number and another number is 5. The difference between one number and another number is 5, and there are 5 segments between any two numbers. There are 5 segments between any two numbers, and the temperature difference between two given numbers is 5 degrees Celsius. So I can say each segment represent 1 degree Celsius increase. Each segment represents 1 degree Celsius increase in the right and 1 degree Celsius decrease in the left. As we have already told in the last class, towards the right the value of the number increases, towards the left the value of the number decreases in a number line. So here each segment represents 1 degree. So towards the right 1 degree rise will be there, and towards the left 1 degree fall will be there. So here 0 is given now. So this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, and 5 is given. Similarly, this is 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just wait. So this is 9. Okay, what is happening? Something is there. I'll just rub it out and again write it. So 6, then this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, and this is 10. Next it will come as 11, 12, 13, this is 14, 15, then 16, then 17, then this is 18, then this is 19, next 21, 22, this is 23, this is 24, right? Likewise, if we will go towards the left of the 0, we will get -1, this is -2, this is -3, this is -4, and -5 is given. Next -6, this is -7, this is -8, this is -9, right? So we'll observe the temperature. This is not the temperature. I'll just completed the number line. Now we'll see what are the respective temperature are there. In Lahul Spiti, this is -8 degrees Celsius. So I'll just write it down in the above, so that I will not get confused in the temperature. So in Lahul Spiti, it is -8 degrees Celsius. I am arranging it in the ascending order from the smaller to larger. I am arranging it in a ascending order. So the Lahul Spiti is -8 degrees Celsius. Then we'll see Srinagar. Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius. Then comes Simla. Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. Then comes Simla. Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. You are observing beta. Towards the right, the value is increasing. So I am writing in the ascending order. So by default, it is come as from the smaller to the larger values. From the smaller to the larger value, as we are going from the left towards right, the value always increases. See, so Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. Next come Ooty. Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Next come Bengaluru. Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius, right? So let's check. This is Bengaluru 22 degrees Celsius, Ooty 14 degrees Celsius, Simla 5 degrees Celsius, Srinagar minus 2 degrees Celsius. It's okay. Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. So everything we have written whatever we are required. So observe this number. First question is observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So we have already determined that questions. Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, Simla is 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius and Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. Right. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above? So hottest means whichever has the highest temperature, that is the hottest place. So hottest place means which is the highest temperature, 22 degrees Celsius of which place? Bengaluru. So Bengaluru is the hottest place, and the coldest place means the lowest temperature. The lowest temperature will be the coldest place, na. So what is the lowest temperature? Lowest temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius, that is of Lahul Spiti. So temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places. So I will just subtract the lower one from the larger one, means I will subtract minus 8 from 22. I will subtract minus 8 from 22. Again, in the last class we have discussed, to subtract a number from another number, we have to add the additive inverse of that number with the other number. Means if I am subtracting minus 8 from the 22, I will just add the additive inverse of minus 8 with 22. So what is the additive inverse of minus 8? The additive inverse of minus 8 is 8. So I'll add 8 with 22. So I'll just add 8 with 22. So 22 plus 8, that will comes as 30 degrees Celsius. That will comes as 30 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above is 30 degrees Celsius. So next question being asked, what is the temperature difference between the Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? So the temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now, which one is the larger? I have already told you to when we are going towards left, the value decreases, and whatever the case is happening for the positive integers, the reverse happens for the negative integers. Means if 2 is less than 8, in case of negative integers, minus 2 is larger than minus 8. So between minus 8 and minus 2 is the larger one. This is the minus 2 is the larger one. So we'll subtract minus 8 from the minus 2. So I'll subtract minus 8 from minus 2. Again, to subtract a number means we have to add the additive inverse with the another number. So the additive inverse of minus 8 is 8. So I'll add 8 with minus 2. Again, see here, there are one positive integer and one negative integers. So in case of one positive integer and one negative integer and addition is going on, so what will you do? We'll just take the difference between the two integers. We'll take the difference between the two integers. So the integers are 8 and 2. So difference between 8 and 2 is 6. Now we have to see which number is the larger one irrespective of their sign. So we'll consider between 2 and 8. 8 is the larger one, and we'll put the sign of the larger number in the final answer. So the sign of the 8 is plus. So I'll put plus sign here. Plus 6 means I can generally say 6 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is 6 degrees Celsius. Right. So next question is, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla? See, it's been given, we have to take temperature of Srinagar and Simla together. That means what, beta? We have to add the temperature of Srinagar and Simla with each other. So what is the temperature of Srinagar? The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. The temperature of Simla is minus 2 degrees Celsius, and I have to add the temperature of Simla and temperature of Srinagar. So temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, temperature of Simla is 5 degrees Celsius. So I'll add minus 2 degrees Celsius with 5 degrees Celsius. Right. So here one positive integer is there, one negative integer is there, and whenever there are one positive integer and one negative integers are there, and we have to add them. So always take the difference between the two integers. So the difference between the two integer 5 and 2 is 3. So you will just write 3 and then compare which one is the larger number irrespective of their sign. So between -2 and 5, irrespective of their sign, the numbers are 2 and 5. The larger one is 5. So you have to put the sign of the larger number in the final answer. So the sign of the larger number is plus. So I'll put the plus sign before the answer. So I'll put the plus sign here. I'll put the plus sign here, plus 3 degrees Celsius. That means plus 3 means only 3 degrees Celsius. What is this? This is the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together. What is this? This is the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together. Temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together. Taken together means we have to just add. Taken together means you have to just add the both the temperature. So I have added -2 and -5, -2 and +5. So the answer comes as 3 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together, and it's been asked compare the temperature between Srinagar and Simla taken together with the temperature of Simla. We have to we have to check whether this temperature is less than the temperature of the Simla individually. So the temperature of Simla is how much beta? Temperature of Simla, I am representing this T Simla, right? Temperature of Simla, I am representing it as T Simla. T Simla is given as 5 degrees Celsius, and together Srinagar and Simla is 3 degrees Celsius. So 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius na. So yes, we can say that the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of the Simla. Next question is it also less than the temperature of the Srinagar? So what is the temperature of the Srinagar? Temperature of Srinagar is, I am representing temperature of Srinagar as T Srinagar. I am representing temperature of Srinagar as T Srinagar. So T Srinagar is how much beta? T Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is 3 degrees Celsius. So 3 degree between positive integer and negative integers, always positive integers is greater, right? After 3, then come 2, 1, 0, then -1, then -2 in the left hand side. So obviously -2 is less than the 3 degrees Celsius. So is it also less than the temperature taken together Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Srinagar individually? No, it's not. It's greater than. So the temperature of Srinagar and Simla, I am representing this as T Srinagar plus T Simla. T Srinagar plus T Simla is greater than ना, ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Why? The temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is coming as 3 degrees Celsius, whereas the temperature of the Srinagar is coming as -2 degrees Celsius. So temperature of Srinagar plus temperature of Simla is greater than temperature of Srinagar. Hope you getting this beta. Hope you getting this. Nothing big deal is happened here. We just drew the number line. We just found out the temperature of the various places, and just we compare. We just do simple subtraction. I have already told you, in case of subtraction you have to just add the additive inverse of that number which used to be subtracted from the another number. Hope you are getting this. So let's go to the another question. So a question is there, at Srinagar the temperature on Monday was -5 degrees Celsius. So temperature of Srinagar on Monday it was -5 degrees Celsius. It was -5 degrees Celsius, and it's been given that then it dropped to 2 degrees Celsius. Dropped by 2 degrees Celsius means what? The temperature decreases. The dropped by means the temperature decreases. So it should be subtracted or added. Temperature is decreased na. If it is decreased, we have to subtract. So temperature decreased is dropped by is temperature dropped by on Tuesday. Dropped by on Tuesday is how much beta? Is 2 degrees Celsius. So what will be the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday, what will be the value? So we have to subtract 2 degrees Celsius from the minus 5 degrees Celsius. So what will I do? I'll subtract 2 degrees Celsius. The temperature is decreased now, so you have to subtract. So I'll just subtract 2 degrees Celsius from the minus 5 degrees Celsius. I've already told you in the last class that if there are similar signs are there, similar numbers are there, similar signs are there, whether it is being positive or negative, if both the signs are given as similar, so if and the addition process is going on, so we'll just what we'll do is just add the two numbers 5 and 2. We'll just add the two numbers irrespective of their sign. So we'll add 5 plus 2 will be 7. So we'll put the common sign that is being associated before them. So the common sign associated before them is minus sign. So we'll put the minus sign in the final answer. So the answer will be minus 7 degrees Celsius. Right. So the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday, it will be minus 7 degrees Celsius. Hope you getting this point. है ना? Whenever there is similar sign is there, similar signs are there, always add. Means if I'll ask plus 5 plus 7, there are plus sign in the both the cases. So I'll just add 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is equal to 12. So then I'll add the common sign. What is the common sign between the two integers? That is plus sign. So I'll just add the plus sign in the final answer. So plus 12 means only 12. Similarly, if I will tell minus 8 minus 10, if I will tell minus 8 minus 10, so here are also there are two similar signs are there. So what will I do? I will just add these two numbers 10 and 8. So I will just add these two numbers 10 and 8 is 18, and I will put the common sign which is associated with the both the numbers. So minus sign is associated in both the numbers, so I will put the minus sign here. So the answer will be minus 18 degrees Celsius or minus 18. Here I am not mentioned degrees Celsius, so here the answer will be minus 18. Next we will go to the next part of the question. The next part of the question is on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose by means the temperature is increased. Temperature is increased. Temperature increased on Wednesday is how much better? Temperature increased on Wednesday. Temperature increased on Wednesday is how much? Temperature increased on Wednesday is 4 degrees Celsius. Temperature increased on Wednesday is 4 degrees Celsius. So what is the temperature of this Wednesday? What was the temperature of this day means which day? Wednesday. So what will I do? The increase is there. Temperature increase is there. So if it increases there, whether I have to add or subtract, I have to add because increase is there ना. जब बढ़ रहा है तो हमको क्या करना है? आड ही तो करना है ना. जब घटेगा तब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. अब अगर बढ़ रहा है तो हमको क्या करना है? आड ही तो करना है. We have to add ना. So we are adding. So temperature of Wednesday will be how much better? Temperature of Wednesday will be temperature of Wednesday will be temperature of Tuesday plus rise in temperature on Wednesday. Temperature of Tuesday plus rise in temperature on Wednesday. Rise in temperature on Wednesday. On Wednesday. Right. So what is the temperature on Tuesday? On Tuesday the temperature was minus 7 degrees Celsius. The rise in temperature is 4 degrees Celsius. So minus 7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. So there are two integers are associated. One of them is positive, one of them is negative. So addition process is going on. So whenever these cases arises, so what we'll do, we'll just take the difference. We'll just take the difference of the two numbers. The difference between 7 and 4 is 3 degrees Celsius. So 7 and 4 is 3, and we'll compare the two numbers irrespective of their sign, which one is larger. So irrespective of their sign, 7 is larger than the 4. I will just put the sign of the 7, whatever it is associated with 7, I will just put that sign in the final answer. So minus sign is associated with 7, so I will put the minus sign in the final answer. So temperature of Wednesday will be minus 3 degrees Celsius. टेम्परेचर ऑफ वेडनेसडे विल बी माइनस 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो यहाँ तक बात समझ में आ गया होगा, इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं आया होगा. फिर भी अगर तुम्हें यहाँ पे कहीं पर भी डाउट आ रहा है तो बिल्कुल कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बता देना, सर यहाँ पे मुझे डाउट आ रहा है, ये मुझे समझ में नहीं आया, कृपया करके फिर से मुझे समझा दीजिए, सो आई विल मेक श्योर योर डाउट विल बी क्लियर्ड इन द नेक्स्ट लेसन और नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, so we'll go to the next question beta, we'll go to the next question. So here see, there is a very interesting question. A plane is flying at the height above 5000 meter above the sea level. So above the sea level a plane is flying 5000 meter height. At a particular point it is exactly above a submarine. You know submarine na, submarine which is goes beyond the water, under the water, so that is called a submarine. So at a particular point it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So let's focus on one thing first, which I want to discuss about. See, in a number line, suppose this is a number line, this is a number line, so 0 is the midpoint, 0 is the midpoint of the number line. Towards the right it is positive integers, towards the left it is negative integer. Similarly in this case there is a this case the height is measured, the standard height measure of the midpoint is taken as the sea level, the height of the sea level is taken as the midpoint. So above the sea level it is sky, below the sea level, below the sea level it is underwater. So above the sea level, if we are taking it as positive, we have to take below the sea level as negative. If we are taking above the sea level as positive, so we have to take below the sea level as negative. So I can say the height from the sea level is, this height is 5000 meter. This height is 5000 meter as the height is above the sea level. The height is above the sea level. So the submarine is under the sea level, below the sea level. The submarine is below the sea level, and I have already told you that below the sea level we have to take negative, because if we are taking one as positive, if we are taking upward portion is positive, we have to take the downward portion negative. Like what? Like the in the number line we have to take the right side of the 0 as positive and left side of the 0 is negative na. Likewise, we have to take the sea level here. We have assumed the sea level, the height of the sea level is 0. So the height above the sea level is, we have taken positive. So the height below the sea level we have taken as negative. So this distance 0 to 1200 means this distance will be how much beta? This distance will be minus 1200 meter. This distance will be minus 1200 meter. Why? Because the submarine is under the water, the submarine is under the water. That's why we have taken the underwater as the under below the sea level as negative. So this height will be, this distance will be minus 1200 meter. This distance will be minus 1200 meter. So what is the vertical distance between them? So what is the vertical distance? How will determine the vertical distance? So what operation should we do? We should subtract na. If we should subtract to find out the vertical distance between them, what is the distance between them? Suppose I am telling I am 5 foot tall and you are 4 foot tall. So how much taller I am than you? What will you do? You will just subtract 4 foot from the 5 foot, that is the difference between our height. Likewise, what is the vertical distance between them means what is the difference of the height between them. What is the vertical distance between them meaning is the difference in height between the aeroplane and the submarine is being asked. So how will we do it? We will just subtract minus 1200 from the 5000. We will subtract minus 1200, will subtract minus 1200. Why minus? Because in the upper case if you are taking positive, in the below case, below the sea water, we have to take it as negative. So we have to subtract minus 1200 meter from the 5000 meter. So I have already told you, in case of subtraction you have to add the additive inverse with the another number. So here we are subtracting minus 1200 meter from the 5000 meter. So we have to add the additive inverse of the minus 1200 meter with the 5000 meter. So what is the additive inverse of minus 1200 meter? The additive inverse of minus 1200 meter is plus 1200 meter. So I'll add plus 1200 meter with it. So 5000 meter plus 1200 meter, what is it? This is 6200 meter. This is 6200 meter. So the vertical distance between the aeroplane and the submarine is 6200 meter. Hope you are getting it. दिस इज फाइन ना बेटा, कोई डाउट नहीं होगा अभी तक? अगर कोई डाउट होगा तब बिल्कुल मुझे बोल देना, ठीक है? अगर कोई डाउट होगा तो बिल्कुल मुझे बोल देना. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मोहन डिपोजिट्स 2000 in his money in his bank account and withdraws 1642 rupees from it in the next day. I have already told you. So what is the significance of the negative numbers? What is the significance of the negative integers? The significance of the negative integers is that to show the what? To show the loan amount, to show the borrowing amount, the negative integers is used. So Mohan deposited 2000 rupees and withdraws 1640 rupees. It means minus 1640 rupees being taken by him. So what is being given in the question? If the withdraw of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, obviously it will be represented by negative integers. I have already told you, to withdraw, to take some loan, to borrow, that is represented by only negative integers, and that is the significance of the negative integers. So obviously it will be represented by a negative integer. Then how will you represent the amount deposit? Amount deposited it will be represented as positive. So amount deposited will be plus 2000. Amount deposited is represented as plus sign, means amount deposited is plus 2000 rupees, right? So amount withdrawn will be represented by negative integers. Amount withdrawn is represented by negative numbers or negative integers. So amount withdrawn amount is 1640. So I will represent it as minus 1642 rupees. So find the balance in the Mohan's account after withdrawal. So what will I do? I'll just subtract 1642 from the 2000. I will subtract 1642 from the 2000. So you can easily subtract this. 2000 from the 2000 minus 1600 is 400. 400 minus 40, 360. 360 minus 2, 358. So this will be 358 rupees. So the balance in the Mohan's account after withdrawal. So balance of Mohan's account after balance of Mohan's account, balance in Mohan's account, balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal, Mohan's account after withdrawal is 358 rupees. After withdrawal is 358 rupees, right? So यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया होगा. So there are more some few questions are there which we'll discuss in the next class. Then we'll go to the next topic. So these questions are very much important. That's why I am doing bit by bit this chapter with you, because with this question you will get sufficient idea, clear idea regarding the calculation, regarding the operation of the integers. So we'll stop here today. So before leaving, I'll say eTuition is the largest and first digital platform of the education dedicated towards educations for better tomorrow in Odisha. And you can install our application in the Play Store also, named as eTuitions. You can also follow us in Facebook, Insta and Twitter. You can also visit our website etuition.com. So that's for today. So we'll meet in the next class. Till then, just do take care of yourself, do take care of your family. Don't go outside unless otherwise it is absolutely necessary, because third wave of the corona is coming. So it is very dangerous. Do not go outside until and unless it is absolutely necessary. So we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.